from Lelit, and today we will execute the ordinary group cleaning of Crete. This procedure is the same for all VIP-line coffee machines. Place the blind filter into the filter holder. Pour the content of a single dose bag of detergent powder inside the filter. Okay. When the machine is ready, hook the filter holder into the brewing group. To do the ordinary group cleaning for all the VIP-line coffee machines, push the first button and then the third button. The machine do automatically the cleaning operations. When the first cleaning operation is finished, rinse the drip tray. Okay. Clean and reinstall the drip tray and repeat the operation again. Rinse the filter holder and clean it. Remove the blind filter and install the coffee filter. Now I will show you how to clean the filters and the filter holder. Also, for this operation we have to use this cleaning kit. Remove the filter from the filter holder Fill the container with hot water up to the filter holder, middle part. Do not immerse the handle. Do not immerse the handle because you can damage the plastic. Okay. I need 2 bags of Pounder detergent. Okay. When the pump is stopped, push the button again. Close the water and steam tap and switch off the function. And now wait 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove the filter holder, fill out the hot water and remove the filters. Rinse with hot water. And after rinse them with tap water. Now the filter holder is clean and this is ready to use. Follow the instruction behind the detergent Pounder for more information. Thank you for watching.